What's up guys, Chris here. I'm at Park Fairfax, which is a really cool community in Alexandria, and it's right across 395 from Shirlington, which has a lot of great restaurants, things to do. We're selling a house down the street with the Nellis Group, and right now it's time for lunch. So instead of driving all the way to Shirlington, I'm gonna do one of the secret things people that live in this neighborhood actually do, and that's walk across the footbridge from Park Fairfax into Shirlington and get something to eat for lunch. So now I'm in Shirlington, and that video I'm actually going to use for one of our sellers in their community video, and it's gonna look really cool, and I don't think a lot of agents are doing stuff like that, so definitely check out the Nellis Group. Now let's get some food. My first time at Dak Chicken in Shirlington. It's Korean fusion chicken. It was really good. They have wings or strips. And the great part was it actually came out really quick. Normally at like a BonChon, it takes like 25 minutes for your wings. So this was great. I had a great time. And now it's time to get back over the bridge and back to Park Fairfax. Where should I have my next adventure? Answer the question on the screen or let me know in the comments.